Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a project's privacy in Basecamp. All right. So first up, open up the specific project. Click on it. As you can see here, I have a client. This is me and one person that is just following. Okay. So what we'll do is that first up, we would want to make this specific project private. Now to do that, go ahead and go to the top right, click on three dots and click on Edit Project Settings. Okay. Click on it. And in here, make sure that it is set to invite only. Only people you invite can see this project. And then once that's done, just click on Save Changes. Now, another option is by going to Home in here. And if you are the owner of this workspace, you can go ahead and go to Admin Land at the top right. And then just go ahead and click on Manage People. Click on it. And then in here, we have the client. You can go ahead and click on the three dots and then click on Change Access. And you will have the list of your projects in here. If you want this specific client to just view one specific project, make sure that only one is ticked. Okay. So basically, when a client is a part of your project, they will be able to see a project just like what your team does. Okay. The biggest difference is that they only see the items that have been made visible to them. Everything is private by default, so you'll need to change the visibility for an item for them to see it. For that to happen, you can go ahead and give them full access and click on Make them an outside collaborator. So an outside collaborator, just like this lady right here, as you can see, she is a part of this organization. And when we go ahead and click on the three dots and click on Change Access, she was granted all access for all projects, but they're just following. Basically, they won't be notified unless someone specifically mentions them, assigns them, or loops them into a thread. So all you do is just keep it as is or give all access. Okay. If you want to make it private, well, just following and select the specific project. Now, once done, click on Save Changes. Now, going back to the client or the client's POV, you can go ahead and pause the video and read through this. Here's what different for client users in your account. They don't see any badges. They don't see the visibility flags. They can't publicly share items, something like that. And which items can be shown? Individual messages on the message board, to-do list, card tables, checking questions, any docs, uploads, and some other stuffs. And that is it. That is how you change project privacy in Basecamp. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.